Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a simple circle diagram. We'll use the ellipse tool and we'll hold Ctrl to create our first circle. Let me use a red color palette down here. I press Ctrl D to copy it and I size it down holding Shift and Ctrl. I copy this one again and I drag it upwards holding Ctrl. I have the snapping enabled up here and I want to have snap to paths and also the snapping for the rotation center down here active. And if I drag it now down holding Ctrl, the smaller one snaps with its center position to the bigger one. Now let me use the Z tool. I go to the center, left click, I hold Ctrl to go downwards. Let me disable the snapping for now, gives us more freedom. Then I create this shape, give it a red fill and I hold Shift, click on the X to get rid of the stroke. I press Ctrl D to copy it, then I flip it. I re-enable the snapping and now it snaps to the first one. I hold Shift and click on both, then Path and Union. Let me click on the small circle and put it to the top. I hold Shift and click on these two elements, then Ctrl G to group it. I click on it again and I've got this plus sign, which is the rotation center, and I put it into the center of the big circle. Let me go to Object, Transform, I use Rotation, and I want to have 5 circles, so I have to divide 360 by 5. And now I only press Ctrl D to create copies and then apply the rotation. So if you want to have 6, 7, 8, just divide 360 by the number of circle elements that you want. Let me ungroup these, so Shift Ctrl G. And now I create the text. I'll size it down holding Ctrl and Shift. And we've got the snapping enabled. That helps us finding the center position of the circle and it snaps to it, so we know it's in center. Press Ctrl D to copy these elements. And I can press T or use the text tool and then click on it and you can change the text. Keep in mind that when you change the text, you may have to reposition it to find the new center position of it. Once you've got everything you need, just press Ctrl A or select it all with the mouse and then Ctrl G to group it and you can export it. And this is how you can create this simple circle diagram in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.